everyone, we're going to verify this trig identity by simplifying and foiling it out. So the first thing we're going to do is just FOIL this out, and we're going to take this first part here. So we're going to do tan times 1, tan of alpha times 1, tan of beta times 1. So that's just going to be tan of alpha plus tan of beta. The next step is to multiply tan of alpha times this whole thing, and then tan of beta. So that's going to give you plus, or it's minus, sorry. So that's going to give you minus tan of alpha, and then multiply times cotan alpha, cotan beta, and now do your tan of beta. So that's going to be minus tan of beta, and then just you have your cotan alpha, cotan beta. All right. Looks like Greek, right? All right. And now let's do the second thing, second one the same way. Let me erase this. So this, go ahead and multiply cotan alpha times 1 and cotan of beta times 1. So you have cotan of alpha plus cotan of beta. And then we do the same thing. We're going to multiply cotan of alpha times this, and then cotan of beta times that. It's going to be minus cotan of alpha, and then we have tan of alpha, tan of beta. And then do it again with cotan beta. And it gets, just be careful, it gets a little confusing. All right. Now we're going to simplify. So we have tan of alpha plus tan of beta. Now, before we continue on, if you have tan of theta times cotan of theta, that equals 1. Because sine of theta divided by cosine of theta times cosine of theta divided by sine of theta, those cancel out, and you get 1. So your angles have to be the same. So what happens here, since these are both alphas, this equals 1. So we really have minus cotan of beta. Here we have tan of beta, cotan of beta. Since the angles are the same, that means we can cross those out, and we have minus cotan of alpha. All right, now we copy those two down, plus cotan of alpha, plus cotan of beta. Now we do the same thing with this part. Here's our two alphas. So that equals 1. 1 times tan of beta, that's going to be minus tan of beta. Minus, and here's our beta angles here. Cotan of beta times tan of beta is 1, so you have minus tan of alpha. So let's see what we can cross out. We have tan of alpha minus tan of alpha, that's 0. Tan of beta times minus tan of beta. These two cancel, and these two cancel. Everything cancels out, and that's why we get 0. We're using the 0 property. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.